Hello students, today we are going to learn lesson number 9, Natural Resources. Resources are those things which are useful to us in many ways. Natural resources are nature's gift. Nature provides us with water, air, sunlight, plants and animals and minerals. We must use them carefully. The protection and preservation of natural resources such as forest, soil and water is known as conservation. Conservation it means protection or carefully using valuable natural substances. There are two types of natural resources, renewable and non-renewable. First, we are going to learn renewable resources. These are resources that are non-exhaustible and can be replenished by nature as quickly as we consume them. Soil, air, water and sunlight are renewable resources. Soil. The topmost layer of the land surface is called soil. Soil is formed when rocks break into tiny particles. Remains of dead animals and plants form humus and make the soil fertile. Soil is one of the most valuable natural resource available to us. It is used for growing crops. Soil provides a natural home to many living things. It is also used as a raw material for making bricks, which is the basic building material today. We can conserve soil by planting more trees. Air. Air is an important natural resource. Living things need air to breathe. Moving air is called wind. The force of the wind can be used to move machines and produce power or electricity. Water. About 3/4 of the earth's surface is covered with water. It is a very important natural resource. There would be no life on earth in the absence of water. Water is used for drinking, cooking, bathing, cleaning and irrigation purposes. It is also an important source of energy. Water stored in dams is released to fall on the blades of huge turbines. Turbines, a machine for producing continuous power. As a result, the turbines rotate with speed, thereby generating electricity. Electricity generated from water is called a hydroelectricity. Steam is used to generate electricity in thermal power plants. Sunlight. Most of the energy we use comes from the sun. This is known as solar energy. Sunlight hits the earth's surface and is used by plants for photosynthesis. We get food from these plants and so it is the source of energy in our body. Solar energy can be used to generate electricity to cook food and light up buildings. The next part is non-renewable resources. Resources which are limited in nature are called non-renewable resources. Forest, minerals, coal, petroleum and metals like iron, aluminium, gold and silver are some examples of non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources cannot be formed easily as they take a long time to form in nature. First one is forest. Forests are one of the most important natural resources. They take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. They also give us wood for making furniture and for buildings. They provide us firewood and wood pulp for making paper. They give shelter to animals and birds and help in maintaining the ecological balance. Ecological, it means environmental balance. They bind the soil and prevent it from being washed away. We should conserve forests by not cutting trees. We should recycle paper and not waste it. Petroleum and coal. Petroleum, coal and natural gas are called fossil fuels. They were formed millions of years ago from the remains of dead plants and animals buried in the earth. Due to intense heat and pressure, they slowly change into different forms of fossil fuels. Coal is an important source of energy. It is used for cooking in factories and in power plants to change water into steam to generate electricity. Petroleum or crude oil is a liquid found under the earth's surface. Petrol, diesel, kerosene are obtained from petroleum. We use them to run cars, buses, trucks, trains, and aeroplanes. Conservation of natural resources. We can conserve our resources in the following ways. We should not waste water. We should keep taps closed when not in use. We should use a bucket to bath instead of a shower as it consumes more water. Rainwater should be collected and harvested. We should use public transport or carpools to save fuels. We must maintain our vehicles so that they do not pollute the environment. Thank you.